Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery, and this is today's 5-Minute Friday, and I've got a little bit of an indulgent one in as much as these are my most used herbs, my favourite herbs. So often when we're planting containers, I think about them from the point of view of this looks nice with this, and these will look nice together, or this goes with this cuisine or something like that. This is very, very indulgent. Basically these are the 3 herbs that I use the most. Simple as that. And if you're planting up a herb container, that's realistically the way to do it, in as much as if you've only got space for one container that you want to put on your windowsill, if it's a herb one, you want to put the plants you're actually going to use in it. So what we've got here, I'll talk you through them. So we have got French tarragon. This is a fantastic plant. So this plant I use a huge amount in cooking, particularly I'll use it in risottos and things like that, where you can just snip off the top, and tarragon chicken. I'll make a chicken tarragon risotto with this plant, so this definitely needs to be in there. This one you might not have heard of. This is Allium Quattro. It's from the same family as chives, and I use it in the same way that I would use chives. I just prefer this flavour, plus it's got a much nicer flower, which looks really, really good in a container. So I'll chop this up, so cheese and chive on jacket potato or something like that. I use that a huge amount. I'll add it to salads and things like that. So you want it nice and close to the house because you're chopping it up. And this one, this has got to be possibly, in my opinion, the best addition to the herb range in probably decades. This is lemon verbena gold wind. So you've probably seen us talk about lemon verbena loads and loads, and potentially talk about this plant. It has the fantastic aroma of lemon verbena, sort of a lemon sherbet scent and flavour to it. And the reason I use this so much is it goes in lemon verbena tea, basically. I'll add it to a bit of cooking, but predominantly when I'm cutting this, it's going in a tea. So I'll boil the kettle, take a few snips of this, stick it in a cup and pour boiling hot water over it. These days I don't even bother sieving it, I just leave it as that, drink it, simple as that. Really refreshing, really nice drink to have. So these I'm going to pot in here. So all we have to do is have a look at this container. It's obviously deeper than the pot it's in currently. So I need to fill the compost up to about this level, okay? Because we're going to place that on top and then fill around the outside. So I'm going to give it a bit of a scoop some multi-purpose compost in there. And I filled it sort of just over halfway. I'll put the pot in there, and if I haven't put enough compost in there, I'll just top it up. So that's not quite enough. Okay, so I'll add another nice scoopful, just like that. Give it a tap, make sure there's no air gaps or anything like that, because it will sink once you water it if there is. And that's about how we want it. These are all 9cm pots, so we're all filling them about the same. Okay, so one tip: when you buy it from a garden centre or buy online, when you're looking to pot up a 9cm plant, it's a nice established one, give it a squeeze. So rotate the pot and give it a nice squeeze, okay? Then if you get your hands like almost like the Star Trek symbol and just do this, okay, then you can turn the plant upside down and pull the pot off. Okay, but you don't want to disturb the roots too much, you want to keep the root ball. So all I'm then going to do is turn it back up the right way around and place it where you want it in the pot. This one's nice and easy to decide where you want everything because there's only 3 plants. Okay, so I do exactly the same. Give it a nice squeeze, just like that. Okay, these plants are a lot older to get to this size, so there's a bit more of a root ball in here. You can feel that when you're squeezing it, but you just turn it upside down and just place it like that and put it where you want it to go. And we just repeat the process for the French tarragon as well. Just like that. Okay. Turn it upside down and place it where you want it to go. Make it nice and even. I generally speaking, don't have to, but I generally speaking have in mind what the front of the container is going to be. And you can see often that will be the lower plant, but you don't have to. Being a circle container, you might be turning it all the time anyway. And you can use one of your pots if you want to, scoop up a bit of compost and just fill around the outside, okay? Just like that. So all we're doing is tucking it in basically. Don't worry about getting a little bit of compost on the leaves, but that's all you have to do. Okay, just like that. So normally you go around once, give it a bit of tap down. Make sure you fill in the centre as well, which I'll have to do with my hands, I think. You just grab a handful, separate the plants a little bit, and just fill in the centre. Okay. Any leaves that get trapped under the compost, you just lift them out, just like that. Give it a tap down. That will help it settle a little bit. Any air gaps become evident. There's an air gap around the side here by the allium. Just like that. Okay, and that is your container planted up. Give it a good water. Because these are quite established plants, these can actually be picked immediately. Because you could have picked them when they were in the 9 centimetre pot, so they can be picked now. If you want to let them settle, or you've got a dish in mind where you're perhaps using loads and loads of tarragon in it, just let it settle a little bit, it will branch out. But bear in mind, when you pick the plants, that helps them bush out and helps them grow a bit quicker. So the more you pick, to a certain degree, within reason obviously, the more you pick, the quicker they grow, the more you get to pick, so on and so forth. It's as simple as that, easy. If you've got any questions at all, then obviously get in contact, we're here to help. Like I said, a bit of an indulgent 5-minute Friday, but if you love cooking and you love herbs, you can't go far wrong with these three. See you soon.